Hello everyone, welcome to the SQL interview question answer series. In this video we will learn how we can get multiple duplicate rows with only, suppose we have one table which have the multiple duplicate rows with only one column that is different. We can consider like one employee which have the same value for all the columns, but only for city it is different, because suppose that employee worked in the different cities. Like here I have this employee worked in every record is same but worked in different city, which is Chandigarh and Mohali. And then I have Imran. This is duplicate record. This is dummy data. Suppose this is a Ludhiana center A, Ludhiana center B. Then similarly for the Neha, it's Lucknow. Suppose it's in Noida. Actually it's dummy data, so this is duplicated here, no problem. Now what do we want? We will see how we can combine those columns into the same row. Like we will get only one output for here. Like we have 8 records, what there will be only one output for these two and one output for these two. Then 3 4 5 rows will be in the output, and we will get data by comma separated. Like Chandigarh comma Mohali, the cities in which I work. So how we can achieve this, right? So in this we will learn XML path and stuff function in the SQL. Let's start on it. First of all, select that particular column which we want comma separated or semicolon separated, and the separator add here. Like I want semicolon separator, so add that separator here, and then I will use here for XML path. So when we are using the for XML path, what it's doing, it's combining all the values in this single. So if I will click here, see here, now from the full table it's getting the value Chandigarh, Mohali, Ludhiana, means for each row it's getting that particular column value, and adding that particular delimiter which we added. Like here I added the semicolon, and after that it's giving us a one row, right? So how we are playing with the XML path. If I will add here test, so see here in the starting test is added here. Now it's showing in the XML path. Even I can add here root element, right? If I will add the root element here, we can define some root element here. For that purpose it will add one root element even before here, so it will make it proper XML, this one, right? So we will not go in that, because we will just we need a simple understanding of it. So in our case we want only comma separated, we will not add anything here, we will keep it empty and we just run it. So this is the one output here. Now the column which is repeating, right? So we will use that column here. After that, let's give any name to this. I am saying as E1, right? So after that, select other column which you want to select from the column. Like I want to select ID, then first name, last name, right? And I want all these cities semicolon separated. Then use here stuff function. I will explain. First name, last name, then just a moment, I will explain everything. So what we did from in the inner query which we use the XML path, it's just returning one column here, right, which contain all values of the cities regardless any employee. See, it's returning all these values. Now what is this one? So when we are running it, see here semicolon is not in the starting. If I will say here it's 0, not this one, this one, in that case see it's not removing that particular semicolon. That's why we are using 1 here, right? And this is the repeating, means whatever we get inside here, so this will be repeated for all the rows. Now we have used the group Y with ID, first name, last name. That's why we are getting only first 10 records, because ID, first name, last name is repeated 3 times. One for the 2 times for Sukraj, 2 times for Imran, 2 times for Neha. That's why it pick only one record from these, and now in the output we are getting only 5 records. Still our result is not there, because for Sukraj it's work only in Chandigarh and Mohali, not other cities. So for that we need to say let's output table as E2, right? Now we will say to the inner record only pick cities where this ID match with the inner table. Now how we can do that? And we will use where condition here, where E1 dot ID is equal to E2 dot ID. Now this is what we wanted, right? Now Sukraj Malik worked in Chandigarh and Mohali, that's why now it's comma separated with Chandigarh and Mohali. Then Imran worked in Ludhiana, it was 2 times here, that's why if any other city name will be here, it will show that city here. Similarly for the Neha. So in this way we can combine one column. See here everything was same except this column, so except the city column, right? So here using the XML and stuff we can do this type of thing. So now I will explain little bit about it. What is this? If I will say here test, so what will happen in the output? See here it's adding this word in front of each value inside the cities column, right? So that's why we have no requirement of this, right? And this one I explained, like it will remove first value from here. If this is, let's say 2, see in case of Chandigarh even C is removed, so it's just doing substring type stuff here. This is the parameters of stuff. In stuff first parameter, what is the value, right, from which we need to pick. So what is the value here we are providing? Here we are providing these values, right? What we are selecting only those values which match with the output parameter. If I will say like 100, then it will say where is the 100, just pick those cities name. Now where is 100 is here, so it will pick only Chandigarh and Mohali, and then there will be value like this, semicolon Chandigarh, semicolon Mohali. So in this way we can achieve this thing. I know it's a little bit complicated, and but if you guys will practice on it, you will easily understand for XML part. This is one of the powerful functionality in SQL. Yes, I think in the new release, I think in Xnative there is a one function aggregate something, string aggregate is doing this type of stuff just in one single query, and that is really helpful, but I don't think so that is leading the SQL server. Guys, please subscribe channel for more questions, to get more question answer on the SQL server interviews. Please subscribe and share this video.